everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious shrimp and chicken fried rice. It is the most amazing thing you could ever eat. It's done in 30 minutes. Before I begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit this video with a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let's jump right in. To begin, we are going to season our chicken. I'm using shrimp and chicken. Before we do, I'm going to cut my chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now, I added my chicken on this tray just so you guys able to see it. And I already removed the fat from the chicken. You can use chicken thighs or you can use breast if you like. Just cut them into bite-sized pieces, just like. Once you're done cutting your chicken, you are going to pat them dry, as well as the shrimp, just like this. We want a beautiful, nice sear on the chicken and the shrimp. That's how we're gonna lock in the flavor. So you make sure you pat it dry. Once you're done, you're going to grab your oil, just drizzle that on there. We're going to mix it in just like this. And now it's time to season. I'm going to be using a little bit of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, as well as some dry parsley. I have some creole and lemon pepper in here as well, very lightly. And we're going to just sprinkle that all over, and as well as the shrimp. Mix it up. We're just gonna mix everything together. We're going to set it aside. We'll be cooking on the flat top today outside, so I'm going to bring that outside. Look how beautiful and well seasoned these are. It's going to be so flavorful once it's done cooking. All right, guys, we're outside. We're going to be cooking this chicken on the flat top, as you can see. First, let's turn it on. I have the flat top nice and hot. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to add in the chicken. Just like this. Make sure it's nice and flat on the grill. And also I'm going to add the shrimp as well. Just pour that in. Shrimp over here. We're going to cook it until it's nice and pink. Of course, and the chicken is going to take longer, so let's just cook that for now. All right, guys, let's flip the shrimp over. You know, shrimp don't really need a lot of time like this to cook. Once they start curling up like this, it means they need to be flipped over. So just flip them over. Ooh, it's popping. Looking good, juicy. Just like this. Ooh. I'm gonna let it cook. It's gonna take some time to cook, but it looks good so far. Smelling amazing. But I'm about to cook the rice right now because we want everything to be ready at the same time. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Let me cook the egg first. I'm adding about 3 eggs in here. Nothing too crazy. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ooh. Scramble that really quickly. Mix that up. And the egg is pretty much done. You don't want to overcook it. I'm going to set that aside for now, maybe here, while I cook my rice. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. A good amount because this is fried rice, okay? Keep that in mind. Add your rice in. Ooh. Pour that in just like this. I'm going to mix it. My shrimp is pretty much done. I'm gonna set it right here in the front. Don't want to overcook the shrimp. That chicken, you can keep flipping it until it's nice and cooked. Perfect. For that rice, just add a little bit more oil. Ooh, out of oil, but it's okay. Let's add our soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce. Now I add my sauces gradually as I go. I don't add everything all at once. That's how I do it. A little bit of that. I'm going to mix it. Going to mix it just like this. It smells amazing already. Just keep mixing until everything is nice and mixed together. Ooh, I have to tell y'all, it is very hot outside. It is very hot, okay? But we have a reward, which is this beautiful, delicious meal afterwards. Keep mixing it. Now is the time I will give it a taste to see if I need to add anything else. But let's add a little bit more soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce, by the way. And I like to add a little bit more than usual. I love the flavor of the Hoisin sauce. Just mix it. Now, if you like veggies, broccoli, the peas, you can totally add that in. But today, we decided to just go with plain rice. I'm going to mix it with the egg, chicken. Give that a flip. Ooh, smelling amazing. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper in here. I tasted it. It needs some salt and pepper. And everything is pretty much done. Quick, easy. Some fried rice, better than takeout, fresher, tastes better. I'm going to basically just plate it for you guys inside because it's extremely, extremely hot out here. Alrighty. Look how beautiful this plate is. Do me a quick favor, drop a comment down below. Let me know what type of sauce would you try with this. And also be sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. I'm about to eat with the family. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.